check on to
We're getting back on the westbound I-90.
Interstate emerging, can you check on West 90 still around the Civic?
Spikes are approved.
I live in a bad accident.
Registration's Boyd or David 6509. Additional information.
180. Let's try the spikes first if I've left set up.
Successful pit. Successful pit under 40. And they're stopping on the right shoulder. They got out of the pit but were stopped just east of exit 18.
Supervising successful pit under 40. Stop just east of Mount 1822.
They're taking off again. Exiting the high point. We're about 70 miles an hour.
Supervising vehicle exiting the high point 10 miles per hour. 1750.
Getting back on that eastbound 90. I'm going to try for a pit again.
Supervising vehicle getting back on east 90 will bring this to pit.
29-0.
And about 320.
He's gesturing out of this window. And there's another car here. It's an Infiniti. Looks like they're together. Felony stop. We're eastbound 90 from High Point.
Supervising vehicles now east 90 from High Point.
Get out the car. Face away from me. Get away from me.
County
Get out of the car. Get out of the car. Get out of the car right now.
Right, 59. 68 not for front.
10-060, I have a vehicle that's interfering. It's a gray Infiniti. We're back eastbound 90.
Great interfering on eastbound 90.
The male driver looks Hispanic, white skin, black hair, with a red and black jacket.
Male driver with a red and black jacket.
And there's two vehicles now, and this is a Infiniti right in front of me trying to interfere from this pursuit. We're about 100 miles an hour. The fleet vehicle's in lane 1.
Zero line with them and I see the Infiniti as well.
The Honda has a flat tire, the rear right tire is flat. This car is falling apart from the rear bumper.
Honda has a flat tire on the right ticket.
Exiting the High Point. Sorry, we were coming from Highlands when I originally stopped him. He yelled out the window that he has a kid and he's losing control. We're on the off ramp. He's lost control, faced the wrong way.
Anything, man?
The vehicle lost control, exiting the High Point from Highlands. Subject to the child in the vehicle to
He just ran my patrol car. Now he's going westbound and eastbound lanes, and there is a kid in the vehicle, and there's another female who's in the passenger seat.
You don't follow the wrong way, try to follow the right way, and hopefully we'll get it set up again.
206, I'm back westbound from High Point. I took over a ticket from the right lane of traffic.
The right way, and hopefully we'll get it set up again.
They come back westbound from High Point. I took over a ticket from the correct lanes of traffic.
1268, we're starting rolling, slow down. Okay, there it is right there. Okay, easy, easy. It's spinning out. Now it's facing the right way, it's in the ditch. Go, go, go. Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
occupied stopped. Stopped in a ditch.
What's the status of that? The other car that was interfering?
Sorry, you're what is the status of the Infiniti that was interfering? Gotcha, 100.
What's the location of their ditch?
We're going to be East 90. I believe this is East Highland.
12 to 8, Seattle. 12 back to have one custody.
Right in between the Highlands and High Point.
I'm going to say I stopped in between the Highlands and High Point, 236.
Zero 6 Seattle, start 8 precautionary for Start 8 precautionary for a 3-year-old little girl and about a 25-year-old female.
Definitely a tailwind.
Yeah, on the coast, I'm currently behind the Infiniti West 90 High Point.
Is there anybody west of east?
Either 791-405. Are you in pursuit of that or no?
I said, we're taking now. They're approaching Highlands and lane line in triple digits in an hour traffic.
What's the location of 682? I'm getting on this 45520 right now.
You got center house for
11, are you east or westbound?
We're going westbound, approaching Highlands. They passed High Point.
I see you.
Probably that's going westbound, approaching High Point, 25.
Zero 6511, that's the car that was interfering with my pursuit.
206 advised. This is the vehicle that was interfering with the pursuit, 25.
I live in Seattle, they're approaching Highlands, lane 2, triple digits, crossing on the shoulder.
Are you in pursuit?
So about a quarter mile back, I got such traffic.
Over I-5. 3.
Vehicle passing over outside.
511 Seattle, I'm behind SPD.
Swift down.
Oh,
Reading by the vehicle, there's Swift and Hubble 511, what's wrong with the traffic?
Yep, looks like I got one WSP to, looks like Seattle's lane above. They're stopping here, South Elmwood, please. Just over the train tracks.
Reading by the
Vehicle stopped, the connector's only come on.
Reading by the vehicle stop, condition assembly stop, please sit.
Got the driver door open, looks like passenger door open as well. Hands are up.
Reading by the driver door open, hands are up, please sit.
Which side that was?
Which one?
They're taking the passenger in custody and they're still talking to the driver. And they're taking both into custody right now.
Reading by the taking both into custody, He's connecting a felony stop with 511 with the vehicle. Cooperative so far.
You can have everybody else go down. Give me an open 7.
13114.
775 can hold on for a few. I'll let him know when we can open. I'm on scene.
13114.
Hey, Gary, well, looks like they got our control set. Unless anything else, we're clear. If you've already clear. Gary wants you.
131
6, Seattle, registration by VIN. John Nora King, Charles, Victor 6, 4 Edward 1, 8 Mary 1, 26538.
Yeah, Toby 6, we returned to a 2008 Infiniti G37 0815 2025 expiration in Seattle.